I really can't stay.
But baby, it's cold outside.
I've got to go away.
But baby, it's cold outside.
This evening has been
Hoping that you
so
drop in.
very nice.
I'll hold your hands.
In 1967, I was teaching school in Lamont, Illinois.
I was stuck downtown at the time.
First time most any of us had ever even seen of or could relate to that kind of snow.
I was working, and all day long we kept looking outside and saying, wow, this is really looking kind of vicious here.
I was trying to cross the Michigan Avenue Bridge from Wacker to the other side, and it was almost impossible. And I encountered a woman who was lying in a snowdrift. And I talked to her, and she was responsive, but she said, I can't go any farther. And I dragged her, literally dragged her, to the lobby of the Sheraton Hotel.
I was at home. We couldn't believe it. It started off slowly, and before you knew it, there was snow up to the car's windshield. Yeah, there was that much snow.
I ran out and I ran to the bus stop and got the bus. But oh, brother, what a trip that was. By the time we got to Irving Park, there were buses, cars, everything, all over the place. Nobody was moving, everybody was stuck.
Nothing was rolling. Nothing was rolling in Chicago.
So I'm like, oh God, you know, I'm only 5 feet tall, and my boots weren't that long. I got out of the bus, and I'm like, oh my Lord. The snow was up to my knees. I had one heck of a time getting home.
When they plowed the snow, it came up to our second floor window in the convent.
It was the first time that I knew that any of the schools closed. Schools never closed. They just didn't close no matter how bad things were. Schools where you were expected to get there.
And I opened that window, and in full habit, I slid down from the window all the way to the first floor like it was a toboggan slide. It was fabulous.
Snow, I want to wash my hands, my face and hair with snow.
My youngest brother worked out at O'Hare, and he had driven to work. Well, it was 5 days later when he found out where the car was.
67 blizzard just shut down the city, shut down the schools. Snow was everywhere. Every kid was making money shoveling snow. It was as tall as we were.
And my mom said we needed to go to the store and get, you know, things like bread and milk. So my brother and I walked down Paulina Street because the A&P was still there, or the National. But we actually discovered that we were walking on top of a fence. That's how deep it was. And then, of course, we were young, so you know what? This is kind of fun. It's very different. We'd never experienced anything like it.
It was quite a storm.
Baby, it's cold, cold